Wait, cracking your knuckles causes arthritis? Or is that just a myth? Some people say it's harmless, others swear it ruins your joints. But what does science say? Here's the truth. That pop sound? It's not your bones rubbing together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles inside your joints, collapsing when you stretch your fingers. Yep, just like when you open a soda can. And here's the best part. Studies have shown that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, one doctor even cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years to prove it. Guess what? No difference between his hands. So, should you stop cracking your knuckles? Well, unless you find it annoying, there's no reason to worry. Smash that like if you crack your knuckles, and subscribe for more medical myths busted.